So, what is domestic violence in Texas? In Texas, we have two different avenues that we could potentially use when it comes to domestic violence. Okay, so there are criminal statutes in the penal code that address family violence. There are also statutes in the family code that also address family violence, but in a different way. In the criminal courts, the definition is a little more rigid and requires a little higher standard, right? You are innocent until you're proven guilty over in the criminal courts. And a conviction could mean jail time or probation or other penalties in association with that conviction. We don't have convictions in the family court. So over in the family court, what we're going to get is a finding of family violence unless we file a protective order. A finding of family violence affects your divorce, especially if you have kids or property to divide. So the judge can infer your guilt and make a finding of family violence that affects the rest of your case. But he doesn't have to find you guilty. That's not a thing that happens in family court. So there's a lot of overlap. Strict definition over here, broader definition in the family courts. And the result and the impact on you or your spouse is different depending on which court you're in.